Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this like slider before and after effect on CapCut PC. So just select a video. I'm just going to select one from stock videos, I think. And I'm just going to add it to the timeline. Then you are going to just copy and paste that, and on the second one you're going to want to add in some effects to it. For instance, this one, hold on, just add it inside, or if you want to, you can also add it like on top of the videos as well. So I'm just going to like add in like effects on top, or like filters as well if you'd like to here. And then you're just going to select everything together except for the first clip. Right click, create compound clip. Go to mask and add in the split one, and you're going to want to do that, or the other way around. It depends which one you want it, like which side you want it to be, the before or the after. I'm actually going to make the like colorful version the after, so I'm just going to put it this way. So add it here, and then add a keyframe at the beginning. And like if you want it to be fast, don't put the keyframes too far from each other, like here for instance, and then you're going to want to slide it to the right side. So it turns out like this. If you want it to be slower, just move the keyframe to the right. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!